My oldest son talking mess, right? Talking about, I said, why don't you get something from Dollar Tree? Talking about ain't nobody gonna get nothing from Dollar Tree, the cheap stuff. If it's good enough for me, it's good enough for you. Get you some stuff. So he got him some stuff. Peace, family, peace, peace, peace. I hope you guys are having such an amazing day. Okay, I am. Today is my birthday, just in case if you don't know, right? But this is about you guys. Okay, so today we are back at Dollar Tree, and we just gonna take a look and see what they have inside. I hope you guys are rocking out, believing in yourself, keep going, keep growing. Let's get into the haul. Alright, so somebody in my previous video, my Dollar Tree haul said, could I stop saying cute? Honey, no! In fact, these cell phone cases are really cute, okay? If I stop saying cute or okay, then that means that I'm pretty much living for you. And I don't want to live for you, okay? I'm going to live for me. Alright, so they have these cell phone cases right here that comes in different colors. These are really, really cute. These are for iPhone 7 Plus and 8. Dollar Tree need to catch up a little, okay, because right now they have the iPhone 15 coming out, all right, and then they also have these selfie lights right here, which are really, really cute, and then they also have these moon decor lights, very, very nice, and LED phone stand, check this out, wow. I like this. This is really, really cute. LED. You know what? I'm going to go on and grab me just one of these. Honey, so when I tell you Dollar Tree is coming through for me, okay? So Dollar Tree had this Hawaiian scent right here. This puts me in a mind of a dupe. I'm trying to think. I think it's Glade, okay? This is really, really cute. Air freshener. Really, really good. $1.25. Not bad at all. And I think that's the only one that they have right now is the Hawaiian one. Oh, wait, no. They also have fresh linen. Chill. Okay, so they have vacay on here. They have travel. And these are really, really cute for $1.25. They also have one that says getaway. And then I showed you guys last time that they also have these little bags right here that comes in different colors as well. So it comes in like this beige color, blue, and then this peachy color. They also have these makeup bags right here. Now these I really don't care for because I really don't care for these, but honey, these are new. These, honey, okay, these cosmetic bags, honey, Dollar Tree getting fancy on me, okay? These are definitely new. This feel like suede, honey. You in for a treat. Ooh, child, they got the green here. You know what? I'm not going to get this. I'm not going to, a part of me is just like, get this. You know what? Okay. Ooh, this green looks really, really good. Ooh, it looks good. Okay, so they have different colors for $1.25 cosmetic bags. Okay, so Dollar Tree also have these cosmetic bags right here that comes in different colors. I had showed you guys these last time. They have different things on them, such as travel. Okay, family, so I told you we had talked about this last time, the LA colors, the Lip and Eye Color Studios, the colors that they have over here. And right now, I would definitely get some colors, but they don't really have too many colors that interest me. Okay, so first up, they have the liquid liner. They also have some lip gloss, and then they also have some lipstick. Now, not for nothing, one of the things that I absolutely love about Dollar Tree is they lipstick. Like, I will get their lipstick hands down, okay? And yeah, pretty much they lipstick and they lip gloss is really good. Okay, so this craft would be wreath. This is so cute for $1.25. I absolutely love this. They also have the reindeer mousse. Mousse, okay, honey, correct me in the comments, okay. This is really, really cute. So I told you guys last time that Dollar Tree, they already have their Christmas items out already, okay, and we'll take a look at those as well. So these are really, really cute. So they have these vase fillers, like these little rocks, okay, really cute. I absolutely love these. You could do so many things with these fillers, okay. You could get you one of these containers, these glass jars or containers, whatever you want to call it, and you could put these fillers in here or put it around there. That would really, really look nice, and you won't even know that it was $1.25. Okay, really, really cute. Okay, so Dollar Tree also have this crafter square, okay, with the different clipboard decor words that says celebrate, hugs. This is really cute. And then they also have the butterflies over here, the cross, the clocks. Really cute. Now, I absolutely love this. The glass stickers with the skull, really, really cute. Right now, this is goal season for me, okay. Rub on transfers, really, really cute with the stickers. They also have these thank you stickers, touch beyond words. This is really, really cute. And they have some more stickers over here. Now, you guys know I am a gold fanatic, okay. This is really, really cute as well. And this is pretty much the rest of the stickers that they have over here. These are cute. Really cute. Hush your, child, you better hush your mouth and get down to your nearest Dollar Tree. Look at this. They have the LED humidifiers for $1.25. They come in different colors, blue, pink, gray, and I think that's pretty much all the colors that they come in. Child, this is really, really good for $1.25. You cannot beat that. When I tell you Dollar Tree is doing a big one for me, Dollar Tree is doing the big one for me. Okay, listen to this, okay? You guys need to get to your local Dollar Tree, because the way, when I come to Dollar Tree, I don't know sometimes if I'm in, a hardware store, if I'm in in a hair store. I don't know, because the stuff that they have is so good. Okay, let me show you this. We have these Aromatherapy diffusers, okay, which are $1.25. Okay. Last time I had seen the oils, but I don't see the oils now. And I had showed you guys these candles, okay, the eucalyptus to be exact, the other day, actually yesterday. But they also have the vanilla. Let's see how these smell. The vanilla, it smells okay. They don't have that strong scent to them. But honey, you're gonna get what you pay for, $1.25. Okay, that's not bad at all. Dollar Tree also have these prayer boxes, which are $1.25. Give it to God. All right, and pretty much all of them says give it to God. Would pick up something, I know you guys do, okay? Do you pick up stuff and then be like, you know what, I really don't need this, okay? In my mind, I'm like, you know what, Dina, you really don't need this, because what, you've been putting the phone on the table and it's been working so good, so you really don't need this, okay? So I'm not gonna get this. Okay, so we've been talking about this. I've been telling you guys about this all-purpose cleaner. I'm so excited that I'm here today, because I'm definitely going to get one of these. These are so, so good. So if you are looking for something to dust your furniture off, to clean grease stains or whatever it is, honey, child, get you one of these. It cleans things off the wall. If you have stuff on the wall, really, really good. Now, you may have to put in a little elbow work, but this is the truth, okay? I absolutely love this, so I'm gonna go ahead and get one of these. You know what, I'm gonna go ahead. Now, they have different ones. They have the lemongrass citrus, and then they also have the peppermint sage. And since I never tried the lemongrass citrus, I'm gonna go ahead with the lemongrass citrus, because I did try the peppermint sage. Now, this one was good. You know what, child, I'm gonna just go ahead and get two of these, okay? And then they also have, okay, child, you better get with it, granite and marble peppermint sage daily cleaner. Then they also have the kitchen cleaner. All right, now I'm getting excited. You know what? trying to see which two I'm gonna get, because it don't make sense to get two all-purpose cleaners. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the lemongrass and citrus, and I'm gonna go ahead and get the peppermint, sage, granite, and marble. Let's see how these two do. And you know what, not for nothing, these cleaners, they go for about $11 to $14. I'm gonna show you guys a screenshot of how much they normally cost if it's not in Dollar Tree. Now at Dollar Tree it's $1.25. Dollar Tree also have these new rose gold sheet masks. Now in my local Dollar Tree they have the gold ones, but here they have the rose gold sheet masks. Okay, they also have the Brazilian mist. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and get the Brazilian mist wipes to see how these are, because I know the Brazilian mist spray I know is a hit at Dollar Tree, so I'm gonna go ahead and get these. Okay, so Dollar Tree also have this new product, all-purpose cream Vaseline. Okay, this is definitely new. They must be just put this out not too long ago, because I didn't see this last time when I was in here. Dollar Tree, child, I'm getting excited. Honey, my hand is shaking. Okay, look at this. Okay, so they have the Big Plump Lashes mascara up here. Now, I never tried these mascaras before, but I'm definitely going to try one. You guys know green is my favorite color, so let's go ahead with this one. They also have the Get Ready to Shine lip gloss. Now, I have seen these lip glosses before, but we're going to go ahead and get one of these. All right, I'm trying to see how you tell. Okay, Rosy Nude. Okay, so I'm going to go, honey, with the Rosy Nude. I think Rosy Nude is going to do me good. So I also told you guys that Dollar Tree also have this liquid blush, okay, and I'm definitely feeling this, and a part of me wants to get one of these, but I don't wear foundation, and so I'm like, do it make sense getting one of these if I don't wear foundation? I'm not gonna get that. But they also have this, okay, Glow Up Blush. So this is definitely new, and it's also, I believe this is vegan, because normally when it comes in the containers like this is vegan, but no, this not vegan, it's just regular. Have heard me rave about this so much. Okay, this brand went viral on TikTok. Okay, this is the Guru Nada. Now I am definitely going to get one of these toothbrushes. This is Dense Bristles Better Clean. Now the toothbrush that I tend to like is the medium one or the hard one. Honey, I do not like no soft toothbrushes. Okay, but I wish they had the medium one the way this one looks, because this one look fancy pantsy, but I don't think they have these in medium, so I'm gonna just go ahead and get this one. Oh, I really wanted this. Oh well. Oh, and they also have the tongue cleaner. Okay, let me tell you something. Guru Nada, honey, they everywhere. Okay, they in Walmart. I don't know if they are in Target. You guys let me know in the comment section if you've seen this brand in Target, but they are pretty much everywhere. They have the toothbrush protectors in Dollar Tree. They have the picks, okay, to clean in between your teeth, like the floor sticks. They also have the floor sticks up here. They also have the Celine pre-mixed packets up here. They have everything. Once they have the mouthwash, honey, I'm done. I know I'm coming here for the mouthwash, okay? Okay, so I told you guys about the gel like shine, okay? This nail polish right here, it is so good. I talk about this every time, and I have the gel like shine, the pink one on my toes today, so I'm gonna give you guys a close-up and let you see how it looks. Okay, so this is pretty much how the gel like shine looks. Okay, it looks to me professional. Okay, really good. When you get out into the sun, really shiny. I absolutely love it. The nail polish, it doesn't chip easily. I like it for $1.25. Dollar Tree still have these cups available. Last time I had got my children 1-in-1, the red one, and then this purple one. I like these. My youngest son, he didn't care for them. He didn't care for his cup, so I kindly just took it, okay? But these cups are really, really good. These cups, they encourage me, motivate me to drink more water. I absolutely love these. So one of the things that really excites me is these glass storage containers. Now, I showed you guys these last time. These are so good. They put me in a mind of Purex glass containers, I think they called. Really good for $1.25. You cannot beat this. And a microwave, dishwasher, and freezer safe. Really good. Dollar Tree is coming up for me. Dollar Tree also have this McCormick containers, okay, storage containers, really good. Also have this Sure Fresh small containers, 5 containers for $1.25. Not bad at all. Okay, so these vacuum storage bags are really good, especially since we are going into the fall season. You could take your summer clothes and put them in a bag and put them like in a storage container, or you could just put this under your bed. Okay, these storage bags is 1 count for $1.25. That is really good. Okay, so Dollar Tree has these winter hats. Now, I had showed you guys the winter hats that was next to my house, the Dollar Tree that's close to my house. These winter hats, they a little different. Some of them are pretty much the same with the little ball up at the top. I like these winter hats, okay? Now, and I wish they had the winter hat that looked like this, but with the ball on it, okay? So this is pretty much their hats. I don't think they have gloves out right now. Family, peace. So these cups that they have at Dollar Tree, these are so cute. Normally when they have these cups, they go really quick. Over here, they have about 8 of these cups. They are so gorgeous, especially for like the summertime and stuff like that. But these cups, not for nothing, they truly inspire me to drink more water. And I think it's because they fancy pantsy that they inspire me to drink more water. Because I also have a gold cup, the gold cups that Dollar Tree had came out with that look really good. You will not think that those cups were $1.25, but they are. So if you have these at your local Dollar Tree, you may want to grab you 1 or 2 before they sell out. Because once they put these on the shelves, they go really quick. I want. Yeah, they separate. Okay, family, make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.